Get in. How are you here now? You born May 6th, 2018. How are you here now? Huh? What that make you? You about 3 months, man. So you about 40 pounds now. Huh? Getting big, boy. Come here. Get that thing. 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 See how strong you is. I already know I'm strong. See how strong you is. Huh? Get it. Get in. Say, hey. Say, I'm a German rock. Look at my nose. Look at my nose. I got that short beak. Huh? So, hey. Say, my bloodline raw. Got that good. You got that good bloodline. Huh? You got that good bloodline. Look at my markings. Look at my mark. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Say, my marking everywhere it's supposed to be. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Say, I'm marked up. I'm marked up. I'm the real deal. I'm the real deal. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. I'll pick you up, man. You still a puppy. You still a puppy. You still a puppy. Yeah. Let me see that. Let me see that. Say, we champion bloodline. Say, my dad worked hard. Worked hard. He's in with good home. Ain't that right? It's a good dog. Good tempered dog. I get crunk sometimes, though. I be running everywhere. We good, though. See if you listen. You listen. Sit. That's down. I said sit. That's down now, boy. That's down. You a good dog. Yeah, you will. Say peace out. Peace out.